Software Spring. Presents. How to use DMIN in Google Sheets. Hello folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on the DMIN function. Here's an intro to DMIN. DMIN extracts the minimum value from the specified field of a database, based on one or more criteria. Alright, let's look at the format of the DMIN function formula. Here's an example. Database is an array or a range. Field is the column from which to extract the minimum value. Criteria is 0 or more conditions which the database should satisfy for DMIN to extract the minimum value. Moving forward, here's an objective of using the DMIN function. To extract the highest minimum score of students for a particular standard and teacher from a column of highest scores. Alright, we have to first create the criteria range. Here's an important point. The first row of the criteria range should be exactly same as that of the database. So, what we will do is simply copy-paste the first row. I will change the background color for distinction. Next, specify the conditions. I will type a standard and teacher's name. Now, create an output area. Note that these steps are optional. I will paste the content I copied before, and change the background color. Let me change this label to highest minimum score. I will input the standard and teacher's name by typing equal to and clicking the address of the cell in the criteria range. A benefit of doing this is, when the criteria is changed, these data gets automatically updated. Let me delete this row, so all the data is visible. Alright, we are ready to type the DMIN function formula. First, type equal to DMIN and select DMIN. For database, select this range, including the labels. Type comma. For field, click this cell. Type comma. For criteria, select this range. Press enter. There you go. DMIN has returned the minimum value for the specified conditions. Now, let's change the standard and teacher. Okay, DMIN has returned the minimum value. Note that these data also got automatically updated. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.